Since I started working as a developer, managing secrets and configuration has always been a challenge. You can keep your configuration in Git versioning, but that configuration needs to be encrypted. And that's what I'll show you in this video, how you can store secrets in GitHub using SOPS with Google Cloud Key Manager service. SOPS is a tool for encrypting and decrypting configuration files so they can be safely stored in version control. It's not a secret manager, but it can be used to manage secrets when combined with an external key authority. SOPS integrates with key managers, and for a complete list, take a look at the documentation. When integrated with key management services, decryption is only possible for identities that have access to the configured keys. Go to Google Cloud Console, APIs and Services, find Google Cloud KMS, and enable it. Next step is to authenticate, and you can do it two ways. You can create a new service account. It's important to give him permission for KMS, Encryptor and Decryptor. Only if you need to encrypt. For those that need to decrypt, you can pass them the role of KMS crypto key decryptor. And that would be it. You need to create a new JSON key file. And the next step, I use direnv, and I need to point my Google application credentials environment variable to the downloaded file. And direnv allow to load Google application credentials. And GCloud CLI needs to be installed. This is the same method that you would use for giving GitHub permission to decrypt your secrets that were encrypted with SOPS. You need to create a service account. Don't give him a rule Encryptor, but give him a read-only access, so Decryptor, and then you would go to GitHub settings, secrets and variables, and you would create a new repository secret that needs to be named Google application credential, and you can paste the JSON file that you got when creating a new JSON key file for service account. Second solution is this one. You can directly call the GCloud Authenticate, and second line creates an application default credentials for libraries like SOPS. And next is to create a container for cryptographic keys or a keyring. Create a key in that keyring. I have an environment file with a dummy secret and I want to encrypt it. And the command is encrypt and wire it to Google Cloud Platform KMS, to the created keyring and key file. And this is the encrypted file. This is safe to be stored in the Git versioning. To edit it, just call SOPS and SOPS environment. This will open in my case Vim, and you can only do that if you have an encryptor role, otherwise it won't work. And if you need only a read-only command, you need just SOPS decrypt, SOPS environment, pipe it to the .m file. That's it. When you add a new team member, IAM role, just don't forget to give him a crypto key decryptor role so he can read from the configuration. Downside to this, I don't know if you look at it as a downside or an upside. This, whenever you change configuration, it's to go through standard pull request and then merging the branches, especially if you have something like a staging dev and production. If your secret needs to be changed very often, maybe place for that secret is not in the SOPS file. This is for keeping the configuration safely and decrypted. Thanks for watching.